Hello, and welcome to Dictionaries in Python. My name is Laura Harris, and I'm excited to discuss dictionaries with you today. So let's get started. A dictionary is a changeable collection that contains unique key-value pairs. You have seen other collections before: lists, tuples, and sets. Dictionaries are a different type of mapping collection. This is because of the unique key-value pairs that exist within dictionaries. This allows users to map keys to particular values, which was not accomplishable in other collection types. Dictionaries are created using curly brackets, seen here. Dictionary items are presented as unique key-value pairs. And dictionary items now have a defined order. In earlier versions of Python, dictionaries were unordered. As the most recent version, 3.8, dictionaries are ordered, but you are still unable to index items in dictionaries. I theorize future dictionaries are going to be indexable. Dictionary order will not change unless functions are used. Items can be added, removed, or changed. Dictionary items can contain strings, numbers, booleans, lists, tuples, and/or other dictionaries. And dictionaries can contain items from different data types. Dictionary key-value pairs are separated by commas. So as you see from the dictionary example below, Ford, GM, and Tesla are keys. The Ford key is associated with the Explorer value. The GM key is associated with the Volt value. There are commas separating each pair. A number, string, or tuple can be used as a key, but keys are unchangeable and must be unique. Keys are also case sensitive, so a lowercase USA key will be treated differently than an uppercase USA key. The values can be of any data type, and duplicate values can be assigned to one or more unique key. To understand the general structure of a dictionary, there are three functions that are useful. Use the keys function to get a list of all the keys in a dictionary. The values function will return a list of all the values in the dictionary. And the items function will get you a list with each dictionary item as a tuple. So I have given you examples here. Please try them out in Python and note their output. Keep in mind, though, that if you're dealing with the items function, the output will need conversion to a list data type using the list function if you are going to modify your items. You can retrieve values based on an individual key name. So here, we want to return the value associated with the key Tesla. Notice that this will cause an error if the key you are calling is not in the dictionary. If you want to get around this error, instead of calling the key name specifically, use the get function. This way, even if you have a misspelling, you'll still get a result and not an error. And you'll notice the misspelled Tesla returns a none value. You can add items to a dictionary by specifying a unique key-value pair. Here, we are adding the key BMW with the value I8. You can change items in a dictionary by calling the key and then setting it equal to the new value. The pop function is used to remove an item based on a specified key name. So again, try all of these out on your own. To clear a dictionary and return a blank dictionary, use the clear function. You can have a nested dictionary. This is a dictionary that contains dictionaries as items. So here I have an example where I have key 1, which will give me information about effectively car number 1, key number 2, which will give me information about car number 2, and key 3, which gives me information about car number 3. Notice how when I do my keys and my value functions, I now get dictionary values rather than individual string values. This means you have to unpack a nested dictionary in order to make the items accessible for use. So here I'm going to define the variable x, and I'm going to ask that the first position, which is car number 2, be returned and assigned to the x variable. Print x to verify that's what you got. Now that I have x defined as this whole dictionary with manufacturer, GM, model, volt, price, 45,000-ish, I can then call the price key and assign its value to y and then print y, or use it in other program manipulations. So thank you for joining me today on this brief overview about dictionaries in Python. Dictionaries in Python are extremely useful, but can be a little confusing. If you have any questions, please reach out. My email address is training@msu.edu. Have a great day.